What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you guys that I have been watching really heavily on, and this stock is definitely one of those high-powered growth stocks that you definitely need to keep your eye on. In this video, we are going to go over why I'm going to be buying. We are going to go over some price targets. We're going to go over some sell targets. We are also going to go over some options that I have been looking at. And of course, this stock is none other than Wynn Resorts, ticker symbol WYNN. Now, Wynn Resorts, I'm sure a lot of you have probably visited their hotel. They have a side business called the Encore. That's another hotel they have in control. If you did not know that, I'm sure a lot of you did. And this company is making a lot of money, right? The hotels, the rooms there are absolutely gorgeous, right? If you have never stayed at the Wynn, I highly recommend you checking it out. It has one of the most beautiful rooms you'll ever see, especially if you get the one with the view outside on the resort. That one is incredible. I highly recommend getting that kind of room right there. I can't tell you too many details because this hotel just has a lot of things that it's going for them, right? They got a lot of things. This pool has an insane pool. They even have a nude pool, which is absolutely crazy. I don't know about you guys. Some of you might be interested in checking that out. So that's something you guys can look into. I'm not going to go there. But this casino, this resort is making millions of dollars a year, if not billions. And I think it is definitely one of those plays we need to get into this high-powered growth stock, and I think it's going to do wonders many few months coming up, right? Do not be afraid of this crazy spike down we're going. The Dow Jones has been going down pretty hard. We will reach the bottom. We will aim some prices as to where I'm thinking about getting in, and I'm also thinking about doing some leap call options on this stock. So if you want to be part of that, come in and join me on that enterprise we're going to be going. Anyways, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Also, check out my Patreon page. It is on sale right now. Check it out. The sale will not last long. Come and join my Patreon page. Come trade with us. Come join us and make some nice 10 to 30% return. That's how we have been averaging on our trades right now. So come join us with us. Come join with us. So with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what is going on with Wynn Resorts, ticker symbol WYNN. And as you can see, the past few weeks, this stock has been on a major downfall, right? It looks like there is no end to where this stock is going to stop. Hopefully, we're expecting it to stop around $99, but it broke the 200-day moving average. As you can see, this is the 200-day. The red line is your 200-day moving average, and it broke, right? And that is pretty scary, right? The 200-day average has been holding up for a few days, and it just crushed it. It broke through, and there is absolutely no buy signal coming here, right? There is no buyers. There's absolutely no buyers, only sellers here, right? Look at that. RSI is just saying this is way too oversold, right? Look at that. It is just destructive, right? I think this stock has plenty of room to still go down. Unfortunately, it has a lot of room to go down, right? I don't want to tell you guys to get in right now. I am telling you guys to be cautious, right? This is cautious level. You need to be cautious here because it definitely has some room to drop at least to around $90, $99 to $90, somewhere around there. If we go back to the weekly chart, we can see a lot more clearly that this is not a huge support level, right? This is not a huge support level. I'm thinking about somewhere between 86 to 90 could be your support level. This stock has a lot of room to drop. Why is the stock dropping so hard? All right, you might think this would be your support level, but it's not. All right, that is way too far out of the. That's like 2019. That is no support level, right? We are way beyond that, right? Look at that market crash in March 16, 2020. There is no support level here, right? Do not rely on this. We need to rely on what we have in the last few months, if not almost a year ago, right? Right here around the $86 to $90 is where I think our support level can be, all right? Somewhere around here. I would not be getting in too early. I would wait. All right? I will go over some leap options towards the end of this video. I just have to be patient on it, but because I have a lot to cover on this in a short amount of time span, right? If we go to tip ranks, these crackheads said this is worth $140 stock, right? A lot of them saying it's around 107, 108, but hey, we broke that, right? Some of them say 115, but these people are like, look at that, 7, 8, 9 months ago, and they're retarded because the stock went way above that, went to 148, 136. We crushed those numbers, right? 140, Majura say that's like a 34% upside from right now, but I think this stock has some room to go down right now, right? It definitely can reach back to the 130 area. I'm not saying it can't do that. It has plenty of time to do that. Right now, the Delta strain for the COVID is back, and people are fearful that America and every other country is going to go on another crisis where they're going to have tons of lockdowns, and already a few countries have already started their lockdown, 2-week lockdowns. And last year we started with 2 weeks lockdown, and it became several months of lockdowns, right? And a lot of people are already scared that the market is going to have another massive crash coming. So that's why I'm being very cautious. I'm telling you guys, do not jump in yet. We need a few days of this stock trading sideways, right? I wouldn't recommend getting it right now. I would recommend giving it a few days. Wait until we see some support. Wait until this stock stops dying, right? It is just constantly going down. I would definitely wait for the TSI MACD to cross over to tell you it's a buy signal. Without that, it could be a massacre. It could just keep going down, and RSI could get even more extreme, probably hit around 14, 15, 16, even RSI level, right? We could have some massive oversold territory coming up here. So I can't recommend you guys getting in right away. I want a few days of this stock trading sideways, at least 2-3 days, before telling you guys that that's an area I would buy in. Right now, it is a definite stock I want you to guys keep your eyes on and be on the lookout. And this could be a fantastic high-powered growth stock. You can get some, right? There's a huge possible return on this. Look at that. If it stops here, right? If it stops around the $104 area and it goes back to around 100 and just 30, right? Just $130. Look at that. That's a 24 to 25% return on your money right there, right? That's a massive return on your money if it does that, right? Obviously, it can be a lot more as long as it goes to like 130 plus, right? It can be a lot more, but I think there's a lot more blood to come. Why do I say that? It's because I see the SPY is not done going down yet, right? The SPY has plenty of room to go. I think somewhere around $114, $15, maybe 110 to 115 area is where support is on the SPY, all right? You guys have to keep your eyes on the S&P 500 when you are seeing a huge downward trend on a market, right? The market has just recently really started to sell off, right? If you thought your stocks were selling off, right? If you thought this was the sell-off, that's just your stock, right? This is just your stock going down, right? It is not the broad market. The broad market just recently started going down the last 2 days, right? The broad market has just gone down the last 2 days. Right? It has plenty of room to drop back to around $110 to $115 on the SPY on your S&P 500. So don't start jumping in too early. You might want to get some SQQQs. You want to get some short some stocks. That's going to be up to you, but don't jump in too early. Wait for the support level to come. Wait for the buyers to come in. Right now, it is just a seller game right now. It is just a massacre in the market, everyone is just panic selling. So I want you to guys be safe on your investments. Don't jump in. Wynn is going to be an excellent buying opportunity. Let's jump into what we've seen the past few days, right? We've seen massacre right here. We've seen 8% already down, right? 15% the last 3 months, right? I mean, sorry, the last month, just 15% down. If we move to options, if you are going to do options with me, once the stock is stable, once it is stable, let me repeat that one more time. Once the stock is stable, give it about 2-3 days, it trading sideways, right? Not going down like a massacre. We need like 2-3 days of sideways trading like this. As you can see right here, this is a sideways trading. It's just staying right in the support zone. That's when you think of buying a stock, right? That's when to buy your option play. And the only option play I really like, where I saw a lot of open interest, is your leap year options, right? And that is the January 2023. And it is expensive. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, but it could go down a lot more. And that is the $120 option play. 926 open interest. Volatility is pretty low. Why? Because it's a 3-year, 2.5-year option, right? That's your leap year 2023 January 20 option, right? This is the OPEX option. Make sure you are aware of that. So you are going to wait for this stock to start trading sideways, because options are high risk. You can lose every single penny that you put into an option. Make sure you do know that, you are aware of that. And this is the option. The only option I can recommend right now is the $120 option play. Some people are buying the $100 option, which is, I guess, okay. It has $996 open interest, excuse me, and it's a $2,300 option, about $2,350 really, right? The $120 one is around $1,550. So this is a $2,300 almost $50 option, right? There's a huge, about a $600-700 difference, but it makes a difference when you go into this, right? You only need a few dollars higher to trade above $100 to be profitable or break even when the time comes to the option expiring, right? So I want you guys to be very careful when you're going into stocks that have no bottoms, when they have no support zone. You need to wait. You got to be very patient and be cautious and attack and be a hungry wolf when it finds its support level. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys and sell targets. I also post a lot of interesting facts that you might need to consider regarding the market or your everyday life about making some wealth and building your business or building your career in the years to come. Anyways, guys, check out my Patreon page. Come join us. Come trade with us. It is on sale right now, and I definitely would love to have you guys and teach you guys on trading the market. Also, do not miss out on the promotion right now going on with WeBull, where they're giving 4 free stocks, 2 just for signing up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of only $5. They give you additional 2 free stocks, and 2 of those will be valued from $8 all the way up to $2,000. Check the link in the description box below for your 4 free stocks from WeBull. If you want another free stock, of course, we have FirstTrade that gives out pretty good stocks. And finally, we also have the Robinhood that gives out some pretty good stocks. Right now, they're giving also crypto stocks. So check that out. All the links can be found in the description box below. Thanks again for watching my video. And until next time, make money with Mike.